from a tactical standpoint, right? What are some of the things that you can do with maintenance agreement customers once you have them to get the most of that opportunity, right? So for example, we've got these people in our base, right? And a lot of people say, well, Drew, I can't even market for new tune-ups now because I've got my techs are so busy doing maintenance agreements, tune-ups on the maintenance agreements for our existing customer base, right? Our existing maintenance agreement customers, I can't market to do new tune-ups, right? So my argument there is, okay, well, why don't we shift to one tune-up a year, meaning one visit a year, where we're tuning up the heating and the cooling system on spot. You've now doubled your capacity, right? So there's an opportunity there. So from a tactical standpoint, what are some of the ideas that you could do to leverage your maintenance agreement base? Another one being, you could maybe start to go ahead and have a multi-tiered program where you pay a higher level of access for maintenance, right? So for example, we'll put a system onto your we'll put a monitoring system onto your HVAC system where we monitor your HVAC equipment, and we'll come out and when there's an opportunity for repair, we'll be able to know that before it becomes a major problem, right? But you're going to pay for a higher level of access, right? So that's taking a maintenance agreement and putting it onto steroids. So what are some of the types of things that you could do with your existing base to go beyond just having a maintenance agreement customer where you just do tune-ups?